Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Now, today let us discuss the yesterday's problem. In the last problem, what it was, this is the integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta, that is pi by 8 into log 2. Okay, now in this one more similar problem given, this we have completed, and this is the integral 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx is also same answer 5 by 8 into log 2. Both are same. Let us see why both are same. Now here let us take the substitution. Now in this let us solve this one. X is equal to tan theta. Already we have completed the first one. In the last class I have discussed this problem, that is completed, and this let us discuss. Why this is also same answer 5 by 8 into log 2. Now put x is equal to tan theta. Then what will be the dx? Dx is equal to tan derivative is what? Sec square theta d theta. Is it okay, all of you? That is a sec square theta d theta. Now if we substitute at the place of x is equal to tan theta, then we have to change the limits also. Okay, now x limit is what? 0. If x is equal to 0, then what will be theta? X equal to 0. Right here tan theta 0 means theta is what? Theta 0. Tan 0 0. Therefore lower limit is 0. Okay, and let us see the upper limit. Now x equal to upper limit is what? 1. Put x is equal to 1 here. 1 is equal to tan theta. Then what is the theta? Theta is 45 degrees. Why? Tan 45 is 1. Therefore theta is 45. Now let us substitute in this. 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus x is the tan theta by denominator 1 plus x square tan square theta dx is what? Sec square theta d theta. Okay, now we substituted and we got like this. Is it okay? Now after this one, okay, now see that this is the integral 0 to pi by 4. Is it okay? Log of 1 plus tan theta. What is the 1 plus t square? 1 plus tan square theta is what? Sec square theta. Therefore sec square theta, here it is a sec square theta into d theta. Sec square theta is cancelled or not? Therefore this integral, this is the integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta, right, d theta. Now see that we got the same problem. 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta d theta is equal to how much? That is already we solved this one. Therefore, the second problem is nothing but the first problem. That's why same answer we can write 5 by 8 into log 2. Okay, and I given the one more third problem that you can solve it, need not to solve again. That is a 5 by 4 to 5 by 4 to pi by 2 log of 1 plus cot theta d theta, that is also 5 by 8 into log 2. Right? Solve that problem, third problem, like the first problem. How we applied? Consider I. Right? Now at the place of theta, a minus theta, pi minus pi by 4 minus theta, substitute I plus I 2I, we get this problem. Okay, na? Same method, third one, you apply like in the first one. Right? Copy all of you. response is on. Okay. दोनों में रिफ्लेक्शन हाँ मेरा वो रिस्पॉन्स नहीं होता कोई हाँ देख रहे हैं आपसे कोई रिस्पॉन्स होता है बच्चे ये लोगों से तो मेरा कांटेक्ट होता है मुझे तो मैं एक बार प्रॉब्लम वहाँ बच्चों से पूछा तो नहीं सर आपको सीधा ही दिख रहा है वहाँ पे मेरा इमेज दिख रहा दोनों में ऐसा दिख रहा है उसमें भी ऐसा दिख रहा है शायद होती है देखो एक बार राइट इज इट प्रॉपर आपको दिख रहा है क्या सेक स्क्वायर थीटा दिख रहा है डी थीटा इज दिस रिफ्लेक्शन एनीबॉडी टेल मी इज इट प्रॉपर प्रॉपर में है ना नहीं तो मिरर इमेज है क्या इज इट मिरर इमेज और प्रॉपर कोई बोल सकते क्या सिस्टम में तो रिफ्लेक्शन में दिख रहा और इसी में भी रिफ्लेक्शन है देखो Okay, everyone. Now let us see the next one. Integral 0 to pi by 2 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. Now this integral is pi by 2 times of AB. Okay, now this is the fourth problem. Integral 0 to pi by 2 1 by a square cos square plus b square sin square dx is equal to pi by 2 AB. Now how we solve this one? This is the integral 0 to pi by 2. I am writing. Okay, all of you. Any doubt? Okay, now this is the integral I am writing. Now see that this is the whenever sine square cos square in any problem, second degree, in terms of sine, in terms of cos, second degree, right? Any problem integral, it is like a square cos square x plus b square and integral 1 by a square sine square plus b square, and the problem may be 1 by a square cos square plus b square sin square. See that in this, what is the common in all these? These three problems in terms of sine cos and both sine cos. Okay, now these are the three problems in terms of sine cos both. And in all this second degree is there. Now if the problem like this in terms of sine cos in the second degree, then this problem change in terms of sec square x dx and denominator in terms of tan square a square tan square plus b square. Every problem change like this. Okay, now to change into this form, in all this is a 1 2 3, in all this what is the substitution? That numerator and denominator both divide with cos square x. Okay, now right. Now to get the solution for these three problems, this numerator 1 divide with the cos square and denominator divide with the cos square. Now numerator and denominator both divide with the cos square. Definitely that problem will be converted in terms of sec square. In the numerator sec square, in the denominator tan square. Right? If the problem is like this, that substitution becomes very simple. Why? Because tan x is equal to t, then sec square dx is equal to dt. Okay, na? That's why that problem becomes simple. Therefore, any problem, right? Now, if you see any problem like in terms of sine square cos square or sine square cos square, now you what you have to do? You have to do divide cos square, right? That numerator and denominator, right? Now here this is the numerator one, this is the denominator, right? It is like this. Therefore, divide with numerator, divide with the cos square x, and denominator also divide with the cos square x. Now therefore I am dividing numerator denominator both by cos square x. Okay, na? Right. Now we get the solution. See that here 0 to pi by 2, then what is the 1 by cos square? Tell me what is 1 by cos square? That 1 by cos square is a sec square x. Okay, na? Very simple. Sec square x dx by denominator cos square cancel that, and a square plus b square into sin square by cos square, nothing but tan square x. Therefore now see that this problem becomes like this. Denominator tan, numerator sec square. Now therefore I am taking the b tan x is equal to t. Okay, I am taking the b tan x is equal to t. Let us consider. Okay, now if the problem, this integral, if you change in terms of t, then limits also change in terms of t. Every time in the definite integral, if we substitute, right, I am keeping the x equal tan theta. If I substitute tan theta, these are the x limits. But now we should change into theta limits. Okay, that's why every time change the limits. If you substitute anything, then change the limits also. Right. Now, lower limit is zero. First, let us see the derivative. What is the tan derivative? Sec square x into dx is equal to dt. Is it correct, all of you? Is it correct, all of you? Okay. Is it correct, all of you? Now, see that here. Now, x limit is what? 0. Right? Put x is equal to 0 here. Tan 0, 0 is equal to t. Therefore, t lower limit is what? 0. T lower limit is what? 0. And what is the upper limit? Pi by 2. Okay. Now, put x is equal to pi by 2. Then what will be this one? Tan 90 infinity is equal to t. Therefore, we got infinity. T is equal to infinity. Therefore, this is the integral. Now see that, right? Lower limit what? If x 0, then what is the t? T 0. Is it okay, all of you? And if x is equal to pi by 2, then what is the t? T is infinity. Is it okay? All of you? Sec square dx is what? Right, b sec square. B sec square is there. B not there. That's why what we do into b by b. Is there any difference? No difference. Now b sec square x dx nothing but the dt by right a square plus what is the b square tan square? B square tan square nothing but t square. Right? Is there any standard formula? Is there any standard formula for that? Okay. Now, is there any formula? That is one formula is there. 1 by A. 1 by A. Tan inverse T upon A. Right? Limits from 0 to infinity. Which formula? What formula there? Which formula we applied? Integral 1 by A square plus x square dx. This integral 1 by A tan inverse x upon A. This is a right indefinite integral formula. Right? This is the important formula. That formula we are applying 1 by A square plus x square. X is the t. 1 by A tan inverse t upon A. X nothing but the t. Is it okay? But what about the limit 0 to infinity? Now this is a 1 by A common. Keep the upper limit tan inverse. Okay. Keep the upper limit tan inverse. Okay. This is what is the 1 by b? 1 by b. We have to write 1 by b is there. 1 by b is there. 1 by ab. 1 by AB tan inverse, write the infinity, tan inverse infinity minus lower limit, tan inverse 0, tan inverse 0. Okay, 1 by AB. What is the tan inverse? Tan inverse infinity. Tan inverse infinity is how much? Pi by 2 minus tan inverse 0, 0. Therefore, pi by 2 times of AB, 2 times of AB. Is it okay, all of you? Right? Therefore, if you know the indefinite integral, this concept, therefore easily we can solve this problem. Okay, now? Right. Wherever you find, remember, keep in the mind, wherever you find second degree in terms of sine, cos, sine or cos or both sine, cos, then what we do? Numerator, denominator, divide with the cos square. Right. Numerator 1 divide with the cos square. Denominator this divide with the cos square. Okay. Right. Copy all of you. Okay. Now this is a very, very important problem. Okay. Anybody having any doubt anywhere? You can ask me the doubt anywhere if you get. ओके ना, कहीं डाउट है तो बोलना ये प्रॉब्लम में. Now let us see one more, right? This is a same, that is same I am using this problem, and this is also very important. This is a B in the fourth B integral, right? Integral 0 to pi I am taking, right? And the numerator I am taking the x, a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. What is the integral of this? This integral pi square by 2ab, pi square by 2ab. How we get this integral? Now, this is a one more important point. Okay. Now, in the problem, fourth problem, x is not there. In the numerator, x is not there. But in the problem, x is there. Suppose if you find anywhere in the any problem x in the numerator, that is same method. Now I am telling that method. Okay, na? Right? You find anywhere x in the numerator, you apply this method only. Right? You have to remember, if x is there, apply like this. That I am telling. Now, this given problem, I am taking the x. That given problem, what I am taking? I am taking the x. A square cos square x plus b square sin square x. Okay. Right. Now, is there any standard properties there? 0 to a of x. Can we use the first property? What it was the first property? 0 to a, wherever the x, right, f of a minus x dx. This property, let us use that. Or nothing but the same. That 0 to a f x dx, a to b f x dx, integral a to b f of a plus b minus x. This is a plus b minus x is a minus x. That is a very simple. Is it okay? Right. Now, by using this property, let us see this problem. Integral that a nothing but what here? That a nothing but the pi. Right. Now, wherever the x, right, a minus x. Wherever the x in the problem, in this problem fx, wherever x you find, that x keep that a minus x. A is what? Pi. Pi minus x. Right? By denominator a square cos square pi minus x plus b square sin square pi minus x. Is it okay, all of you? Now see that. Therefore, this is a I, this is the equation 1. Right? Let us see the second equation. This I is equal to what? This I is equal to what? Integral 0 to pi integral 0 to pi minus x by denominator, right? What is the cos pi minus theta? Cos pi minus theta is a minus cos theta. Second quadrant cos minus theta. Cos pi minus theta minus cos theta. But the square is there, it becomes a plus. A square cos square x. Is it okay? Now same way, right? Sin pi minus theta plus sin theta. Sin pi minus theta sin theta square is there. B square sin square. Okay. Now this is the equation 2. Right? Equation 1. This is the problem. Problem is the equation 1 and we got this is the 2. Let us see sum of these two. 1 plus 2 implies, right? By adding these two, then what we get finally? Right, this is a I, this equation 1, I plus I will be the 2I. Okay, very good. Integral, same limits there. Here also 0 to pi, there also 0 to pi, write only once. And what about the denominator of both? Both denominators are same. A square cos square, see here, a square cos square, b square sin square, they are also same. That's why both having the same denominator. I written the denominator now. Then what about the sum of the numerators? X plus, here what is this one? Pi minus x. Now therefore x is a cancelled or not? 2i is equal to integral 0 to pi. This pi is there. That pi is common from the integral, right? Pi common. Can we take common x from this? This is a integration with respect to x. X is a parameter that will not be taken common from this integral. That x we can't write outside the integral. If any constant number, pi is a constant number, that will be taken common from the integral. That's why I am writing the pi outside the integral. But here this x will not be written outside. Why? Integration with respect to x. X is a variable. X will not be taken outside. X we can't write outside. That's why I'm not writing there. But here pi is a constant that will be outside the integral. 1 upon, what is the remaining? 1 upon a square cos square plus b square sin square. Now, is this the last problem? Is that last problem or not? What is the answer you got in this? What is the answer you got in this? 2i is equal to. Okay, na? Is that the last answer? Is this only? What was the last? Tell me. In any problem, you have to check the limits also. In the last problem, that limits are 0 to pi by 2. But here, not like that. Problem same, but limits are not same. Okay, this answer, what we got? Pi by 2ab. What we got? Pi by 2ab. Okay. Okay. Right. Now here, this is a problem is the same, but the limits are not same. See that. Now, can we convert these limits into that form? When we convert, tell me. Now, integral 0 to a fx will be written 2 times of 0 to a by 2 fx dx. When we write this integral 0 to a fx dx will be written into 2 times of 0 to, instead of a by 2 fx dx. When we write, now if f of a minus x is equal to fx, when we write this one, if f of, wherever the x in the problem, substitute a minus x. If it is again this fx, then we write this one 2 times of 0 to a by 2 fx dx. Okay. Now, is that possible? Here, can we write 2 times of 0 to pi by 2? Here, can we write like this? Can we apply this one? If it is satisfied. Now, check that fx is what? Let me check the fx. 1 by a square cos square plus b square sin square plus b square sin square. F of a minus x. What is a? A is what? Pi. Is it okay? Right. A is a pi. F of a minus x. F of pi minus x. Right. Wherever the x, write pi minus x, pi minus x, pi minus x. Able to follow all of you? If you get any doubt, you can ask me. If you get any doubt, you can ask me. Right. Now, see here, 1 upon a square cos pi minus theta. Cos pi minus theta minus cos theta. But square is there, it becomes a plus. And sin pi minus x, sin pi minus theta plus sin theta, square is there. This is the f of pi minus x we got. Is it equal to again fx? Again fx we got. Fx is this one only. Therefore, this condition satisfied. F of a minus x is again fx. F of a minus x. F of a minus x is again fx. We can apply this one. 2 times of 0 to. If there is a, right here a by 2. There is a pi, right pi by 2. 2 times. A by 2. Pi by 2. Same fx. Okay. Now see that 2 we can cancel there. I is equal to pi times of. What about this integral? Tell me. Anybody, can you say? Right. If you get doubt, you can ask me. Okay. And now, right, is this equal to this problem, last problem? 0 to pi by 2. Here also 0 to pi by 2. Same a square cos square b square sin square. Same there is also. This answer already we got pi by 2 ab. Therefore, according to last problem, this answer is what? Pi by 2 ab. Is it okay? Therefore, I is equal to what? I is equal to pi square by 2 ab. We got the answer like this. Remember, right? Now, wherever x in the numerator, in any problem, not only one problem, two problems, in every problem, if x is in the numerator, you apply this method. Right? See that what method we are applying this one? 0 to a f x, f of a minus x, right? Right? Now, this is the equation 2, right? Adding the two equations 1 and 2, right? We got. Now, by adding 1 and 2, that x is eliminated in the numerator. Okay. Now, in the problem, x is not there, right? Therefore, what is our target here? Our target is to eliminate the x in the numerator. What is our target? If there is in any problem, right, in every problem like this, if x is there in the numerator, our target is to eliminate the x. Then only we get the solution. How that x is eliminated? See that x cancelled by adding 1 and 2. Now x is not there. That's why in any problem like this, we apply this method only. First, we have to eliminate x by writing sum of 1 and 2. Definitely that x will be eliminated. Right? Finally, we will get the solution. Okay? Many problems are there. In many problems, x is in the numerator. Same apply, you will get the solution every time. Okay? Copy all of you. If you get anywhere doubt, you can ask me. Okay, copy all of you. Oh. Okay. Hmm. Copied everyone. Now let us see the problem on this. Similar to this one. Okay. Copied everyone. Okay. Now integral 0 to pi by 4 under root of tan x by sin x into cos x. Sin x into cos x dx. How we find this integral? What is the problem given? That problem is 0 to pi by 4 root to tan x by 0 to pi by 4 root to tan x by sin x into cos x. Then this how we write here? I am writing like this. 0 to pi by 4 root to tan x is there. Now can we write like this? Okay, now can we write like this? Sin x is there. Divide with cos x, multiply with cos x. Is it okay? See that what we are doing in the denominator. In the denominator, I am not changing the numerator. Same as it is the numerator. In the denominator, sin x by cos x into cos x. Cos x into cos x, cos square x. Now here, see that. How we get this problem? See that. Now this is the root to tan x by sin by cos nothing but tan and 1 by cos square nothing but sec square x dx. Okay, is it correct? Now, this is the root tan by tan. What is that? Now, can we write this one root tan x? Now, this denominator tan x, I am writing root tan x into root tan x. Can we write like this? Is it correct or not? What we are doing? This is tan x, I am writing root tan into root tan. Root tan into root tan, nothing but tan. Tan will be written like this. 1 root tan is cancelled. Therefore, what is the problem? 0 to pi by 4. Okay. Sec square x dx by under root of tan x. Right? Then what is the substitution here? Tan x is equal to t. Simply tan x is equal to t. Sec square x dx is equal to t. Therefore, I am doing here tan x is equal to t. Therefore, what is the tan derivative? Sec square x dx is equal to dt we written. Is it okay, all of you? Now, same way, we have to change the limits, right? X equal to 0, right? Tan 0, 0, t 0. X equal to pi by 4, right here. Tan pi by 4, 1. T is equal to 1. Sec square x dx is what? dt. Is it okay, all of you? 1 by under root of tan x, nothing but a t. Is it okay? Everyone? Very simple. Now, what is a 1 by root t integral? Is there any 1 by root t integral? How we find the root t integral? Okay. Now, what is this formula? 1 by root x integral. 1 by root x integral 2 root x. Is it okay? 1 by root x integral 2 root x. How we write this one? 1 by root x. Can we write x power minus 1 by 2? By root x, write in the numerator x power minus 1 by 2. Right? Now, x power an integral formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Is it okay? Now see that x power minus 1 by 2 plus 1. How much? Plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is 1 by 2. This by this goes to the numerator. 2 into x power 1 by 2. Is it okay? This right where in the numerator. Why? By 2 comes into the numerator. That x power 1 by 2. 2 into x power 1 by 2 nothing but root x. Is it okay, all of you? That's why write 1 by root x integral is 2 root x. We remember general, or otherwise we can solve like this. Now, in every problem, if we want to solve, then we have to waste the 2-3 times, 2-3 minutes. Okay, that's why, right, instead of solving this problem, you remember 2 root x. 1 by root x integral 2 root x. If you forget, solve this one like this. Right. Now, 1 by root t integral 2 root t. Right. Apply the limits from 0 to 1. Keep the upper limit root 1 minus, keep the lower limit 0. 2 into root 1 is 1. 2 into 1 is a 2. Is it okay, all of you? Very simple problem. Okay. Copy, all of you. Now, in the definite integrals, you can solve the level 1. Right. See, all of you, level 1 problems. Now, you can solve the level 1 problems in the definite integral. Okay. Did you copy all of you? If you are perfect in the indefinite integrals, then this definite integral will be very simple. Now in the indefinite integral, this problem was there. Root tan x by sin x into cos x dx integral. It is there in the indefinite integral. Now see that integral 1 to 2 x power 2x into 1 plus log x dx. Okay, na? Integral 1 to 2 x power 2x into 1 plus log x dx. What is the integral of this one? Okay, this is a simple, but the logic is there. Now this can we write? Can we write x power x into x power x? Is it correct or not? Can we write like this? What did I write here? X power 2x, I am writing x power x into x power x. Now see that bases are same. If you add the powers, can we get this one? Is it correct or not? See that x power x into x power x. If you add the powers x plus x, that is x power 2x. Is it okay? Right. That's why I am writing x power 2x is x power x into x power x. Now see here. This x power x, I am taking the t. What we are taking here, that x power x is equal to t we are taking. Okay. Then what is the derivative of this x power x? What is the derivative of x power x? Is there any formula? Differentiation formula. X power x derivative is x power x into 1 plus log x. It is there into dx is equal to dt. One formula there with the differentiation, that x power x derivative is x power x into 1 plus log x dx. Now is equal to dt. Right? Now, if we convert the problem in terms of t, every time remember limits must be changed. Okay? That's why x limit is what? 1. Therefore, what is the t limit? If x is equal to 1, keep in this. 1 power 1 is equal to t. T is 1 or not. Therefore, we got 1 same. And if x is equal to 2, x limit is a 2, then what is the t limit? Okay, if x is equal to 2 is a limit, here write that 2 power 2 is equal to t. Is it okay, all of you? Is it okay, all of you? Therefore, 2 square is a 4, t is equal to 4. Can we write? Lower limit is 1 and t upper limit is a 4. Okay, is it correct? All of you? Now see here, x power x is a t, x power x is a t, substitute. And what about this total? Total, what about this one? X power x into 1 plus log x dx is what? Dt. Total, this nothing but the dt. Okay, very simple, see that. And what is the t integral? X integral is what? How we write x integral? Formula x power 1 integral x square by 2 or not. Therefore, what is the t integral? T square by 2 or not. Keep the limits 1 to 4 by 2 common. Keep the upper limit here 4 square. Okay, is it correct? Okay, na? And keep the lower limit 1. Okay, this is 1 by 2, 16 minus 1. How much? 15 by 2. Is it okay, all of you? Okay, na? Right, copy. Now, in this, what formula we have to recollect? X power x derivative formula we have to recollect. X power x derivative is needed. That is a very, very important. X power x derivative. I am writing here x power x derivative. Remember, right, x power x into 1 plus log x. Right, this formula we have to recollect in the problem. Okay, copy all of you. Okay, now copied all of you. Right now I am telling the one different problem. This is the integral n to n plus 1. This is the f x dx. They given the n square plus n. Then what is the integral? What is the integral? Minus 1 to plus 1 f x dx. Okay. What is the integral? Minus 1 to plus 1. Okay. Now see that minus 1 to plus 1 f x dx is what? Okay, now in this we apply this formula. For example, see that this is the real x-axis. This is the origin. This is the 1, this is the 2, and this is the 3. This is the 4. Okay. Now here, suppose 1 to 4 integral is there. That integral from 1 to 4. Now this integral from 1 to 4, we can split like this. If you want, we can write 1 to 2 integral, 2 to 3 integral, and 3 to 4 integral. We can write like this. If you want, we can split the integral like this. This is the one property. Okay, this is the one property. Okay, now all of you. Now see that integral from 1 to 4, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 we can write. This is a 1 to 4 integral, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. If you want like this also we can write 1 to 3, 3 to 4. Right? 1 to 3 direct, 3 to 4. Okay. Therefore, this is a integral we can split like this. Right? Lower limit 1 start from 1, end with 4, upper limit end with 4. Right? Any problem you can solve like this. Right. Now, this is the one important property. This is the one important property. Now, let us see this integral. N to n plus 1 fx dx. Okay, is it okay? What they given here, n square plus n is given. Can we write? Now, put n is equal to minus 1. Put n is why? Integral starting from minus 1. Integral starting from minus 1. That's why put n is equal to minus 1. I am taking n is equal to minus 1 in this. Then what we get, minus 1 to minus 1 plus 1 0, right? Fx dx is equal to how much? Put n is equal to minus 1, right? Therefore, what is this one? Minus 1 to 0 fx dx. This is a 1 minus 1. Can we write 1 minus 1 0? Minus 1 to 0 fx dx is equal to how much? 0 we got. Okay. Now in this, again put n is equal to, how much? N is equal to 0. Now put n is equal to 0. 0. 0 to 0 plus 1 fx. 0 plus 0. Put n is equal to 0. This implies integral 0 to 0 plus 1 fx dx. What we got? N is equal to 0. Is it okay? All of you? What I did here? Put n 0, 0, wherever the n keep 0, we got like this. What about this integral 0 to 1 fx dx? What we got here? 0. Okay. Now this integral, what they are asking here? They are asking this one. What is that integral? What is that integral? Minus 1 to plus 1 fx dx. Right? This integral can be split like this. Minus 1 to 1. What is minus 1 to 1? Here 0, this is a minus 1, this is a plus 1. Minus 1 to 1 integral, minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1 we can write. Therefore, integral minus 1 to 0 and 0 to 1, can we write like this? We are using this property. Minus 1 to plus 1, right? Minus 1 to 0 integral 0 to 1. Right. What about minus 1 to 0 fx? Minus 1 to 0 fx, we got 0. What about this integral? 0 to 1 fx dx also 0. Therefore, 0 plus 0 is 0 we got. Okay, now? Right. Copy all of you. Anywhere doubt? Getting any doubt in this? Copy. Okay, copied all of you. Now, next let us see here. Now, this is the next one, minus 1 to 4. This fx dx is 4 given, and 2 to 4, 3 minus fx, they given this integral is 7. Okay, what they given? Minus 1 to 4, fx dx is a 4, and 2 to 4, 3 minus fx dx, they given the 7. Then they're asking in is, what is the integral from minus 1 to 2 fx dx? Then what is minus 1 to 2 fx dx, this integral? Okay, what the given? This is given, and this also given. Then they are asking this one. Now first let us take this one, 2 to 4. Okay, that is 2 to 4, 3 dx minus 2 to 4 fx dx. Can we write like this? Separately I am writing. How? 3 integral separate, fx integral separate. Right. Now what about this one? 3 common, 1 integral is what? X. Limits from 2 to 4. Is it correct? All of you? And this integral keep as it is, no change in this. 2 to 4 fx dx. Now keep the upper limit minus, keep the lower limit minus 2 to 4 fx dx. This is equal to 7. Is it okay, all of you? Then after this, what we get? Then after this, what we get here? Now see that 4 minus 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6. 6, 7 bring this side, this 7 bring this side, and this integral bring that side. Okay, integral 2 to 4 fx dx. Is it okay? Now therefore minus 1 integral from 2 to 4 fx dx. Therefore we got the integral like this. Right, integral 2 to 4 fx dx is a minus 1. Okay, able to follow all of you? Now, but they're asking what? Minus 1 to 2 fx. It is not minus 1 to 2 fx. Now, let us use this one by taking this integral minus 1 to 4 fx dx is equal to 4. Right, between minus 1 and 4, is there any number 2 is there? See that? This is a minus 1. Able to follow? Let me write here. This is a minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, minus 1 to 4 integral. What is this here? Minus 1 to 4 integral. But what we want? Minus 1 to 2 we want. This can we write minus 1 to 2, next 2 to 4. Is it okay? Therefore, this integral I am writing minus 1 to 2 fx dx and integral 2 to 4 fx dx. Able to follow all of you? Is there any doubt in this? Getting any doubt? Simple, you know, right? Minus 1 to 4. Here minus 1 to 4 integral minus 1 to 2, 2 to 4. Minus 1 to 2, 2 to 4. Now, this integral we want to keep as it is. What about this integral? Already we got there 2 to 4 fx dx minus 1. Therefore, this I am keeping the minus 1. Okay, this is a minus 1 to 2. Able to follow? Fx dx. And this minus 1 bring that side. 4 plus 1, 5 we got. Therefore, this answer is a 5 answer. Minus 1 to 2. What we got final answer? Minus 1 to 2. Fx dx we got the 5. 5 is the answer. Copy all of you. Okay. Okay. Now let us see the next one. Next, let us see. Here, what about the integral? This is a note. Integral 0 to infinity e power minus x cos bx. And one more is there, integral 0 to infinity e power minus x sin bx. What about these two integrals? Okay, na? Now see here, 0 to infinity e power minus x cos bx is a by a square plus b square. A by a square plus b square. What about this integral? B by a square plus b square. Okay, these are the two integrals. Let us see how we got this one. Do you know this integral, indefinite integral, e power x cos bx integral? What is this one? What is this formula? E power x cos bx. We did e power x cos bx, and one more was there, e power x sin bx also. Those are the problems, and those are the important results. We have to apply directly in the problems. Okay, now see that what it was, e power x by a square plus b square into a into cos bx plus and b into cos integral sine, cos integral plus sine. This is the answer. Okay, na? Now we did in the indefinite integrals. For this we want the limits. But here what is that? Same? Is it same? No. What is that? Minus ax is there, but here ax is there. A let us change. Okay, na? Now instead of a write minus a, e power minus x minus a whole square becomes plus only minus a cos bx. Able to follow? B into sin bx. Now in this, wherever a, we are keeping the minus a. Right. Now this integral we got. Now let us apply the limits. Apply the limits. 0 to infinity e power minus x cos bx dx. Now e power minus x by a square plus b square into minus a cos bx plus b sin bx. Okay, now limits from 0 to infinity. Is it okay? 0 to infinity. Now first keep the upper limit. Okay. Wherever the x, keep the upper limit infinity. E power minus infinity, e power minus infinity, e power infinity is infinity. E power minus infinity 0. E power minus infinity 0. Right. Put x equal to infinity here. Minus is there. E power minus infinity 0. 0 into minus cos b infinity, b sin b infinity. Okay, na 0 into something 0 minus, keep the lower limit, minus lower limit, x is 0 here, here, e power 0 by a square plus b square. Okay, into minus a cos 0 plus sin 0. Put x is equal to 0. Is it okay, all of you? How we are keeping the upper limit infinity, x infinity, e power minus infinity 0, 0 into something 0 minus, how we got this one, minus, keep the lower limit 0, 0, 0, we got like this, e power 0 1 by a square plus b square. Okay, cos 0 is what, do you know? Cos 0 1 plus sin 0, do you know? Sin 0 0. What we got finally? This minus into minus plus a by a square plus b square. Okay, now can you solve this second also? Copy all of you. Very simple. If you know the indefinite integral, right, we can solve the definite integrals. And I given already, what about the integral e power x into sine bx? For the second one, apply this formula, e power x by a square plus b square into a into sine bx, right? And b into sine integral minus cos. This is e power x sine bx, right? For this problem, right? Now there is a minus a, keep minus a, minus a, minus a, minus a. And keep the upper limit minus, keep the lower limit, like this, we get the answer b by cos there, a by under a by a square by b square, sin there, b by a square by b square. That is the difference. We have to remember these also. Suppose in the problems in the multiple choice, they ask the problem 0 to infinity e power minus 3x cos 4x. What about this integral? Directly we can apply this formula. What is a A? A is what? A is a 3. What is a B? B is a 4. What is the answer? A by A square plus B square. A is how much? 3. Not minus 3. Why? Minus A is equal to minus 3. Minus A is equal to minus 3. A is equal to 3 only. Don't write minus 3. 3 by 3 by 3 square plus B square 4 square. What we got? 3 by 9 plus 16, 25 we got. Is it okay, all of you? Very simple. Okay. Okay, did you copy all of you? Shall I close now? Right, today we have completed some problems and some important right properties, including the some important problems. Okay, tomorrow we will continue the problems and some selected problems also. Right now you can start the level one. Level one you can solve that whatever the concept needed for the level one already we have completed. That's why you can start the problems. And also some problems I told in this. Okay, na? Those same problems may be in the level one. That's why you can start the level one and complete it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all. I'm closing the class.